Hi everyone, I appreciate you stopping in today. I have a Stitch Fix, and this is Stitch Fix 99. So excited because I hope 100 is like a great box. I don't think this one's going to be, and I'll tell you why in just a moment. Here you get a USPS return mailer, prepaid. Anything you don't love and you don't want to keep, you just put back in this envelope, send it on its merry way to the U.S. Post Office. And here you get an invoice. I'm not going to look at this because I don't want to know what prices are while I am unboxing. I'm going to put that up there. And I'll pull this out. I'm just going to move this. So it comes packaged like this. So you have a bundle. I'll show it to you this way too. And I'm going to tell you why I don't think this one's going to be a good one. You do get a preview. I don't know how many. You get at least maybe 15 or more items to look at, to choose from. I never got an email telling me this fix was ready. And all of a sudden I get an email that is shipped and I'm like, whoa, I didn't even get to choose the items I wanted. So I can't imagine that I'm going to love everything in here because I didn't have any say. Even though I think Sarah Beth is still my stylist, sometimes when you give them too much free reign, it you know, it's not what you want. But hopefully I like something in here. So let's just start and see what we have here. Okay, this is going to be a no right off the top. From Mason & Bell, this is a button detail blouse, black size medium. So it is, you know, pretty sheer. I can see everything right through it with the lights. I'm not a fan of this, like, crochet detail right here. I mean, it might look cute on, but I'm not a fan of that style. It is a rounded hemline, slightly longer in the back. Cute little button detail. Now, if this was, I don't know. There's no give in this whatsoever. So, I don't know, but I definitely don't like that little, like, crochet detail there. Let's see what's next. Another blouse, it looks like. Okay, this one might not be so bad. Where's their tag? So this is from 9 Britain. This is a button-down blouse, off-white, and this is medium. So this is off-white with black. Is that black? Yeah, black polka dots. Normal sleeve. You know, V-neck, button-down. Basically, you know, your typical button-down shirt. You know, that's not bad. No pockets or anything like that. I love a good button down, especially in the summer. It's just so comfortable and so cool because there's nothing like up against you. It's not thick material, so that's not horrible whatsoever. We have a string here. We'll get rid of that. The next is from Staccato. This is a rolled cuff tee in navy, size medium. So this is just your basic tee, straight, right? Straight bottom. Yeah, straight bottom tee, V neck, right here. Seam up the back, and then this is the sleeve. So that is, that's pretty nice. We'll have to see about that. I have no idea. Next, we have a black pair of jeans, it looks like. Okay, from Indigo 6. This is a high-rise with regular hem, cropped skinny jean, black size 8. What do they mean cropped? It's your basic black button-down jean, which might not be bad, because I'm trying to think. My one pair of black, I love them. I think I got them from Amazon. And, you know, they're just, I'm due for a new pair. I think I'm trying to think. I know I have another pair of black, but I'm not a fan. Like, they're a little bit, I don't like the material. So I don't generally wear them, but these feel like regular jeans would feel. So I'm curious. Button down, you know, basic pocket. So I'm curious about that for sure. What is this? What is this? Why would you send me this in the summertime? Like, I don't get, sorry, Sarah Beth, I just don't get this. This is from Avalon Studio, and this is a corduroy cropped shacket, olive size medium. Why? If this was $10, I still wouldn't keep it. Why would I want this in the summer? Like, I would never wear this. I mean, I love the color. I just don't get it. It's a basic, you know. I guess maybe in the spring, some of the cooler nights, but I just don't see me wearing this. Is this, are these snaps or buttons? Yeah, snaps. You know, who knows? I'll give it a try. I have no idea on the pricing on anything, obviously. So let's get into the try-on. Okay, so I have the shacket on, and this is olive medium. This is $55. This is going to be a no. This would be cute, because it's a straight hemline. Here's the back, you can see. Don't mind the hair if it's a little messy. I didn't mess with it. I don't mind it. The snaps would be nice. The sleeves are good. More for probably, not so much this spring, because we're not getting cool temperatures too often in the spring. I could see this maybe fall, or even like early winter when it's not super cold. But I'm not going to buy something now for $55 and hold on to it. And I just don't see me getting any use out of this right now. So the next item so I'm going to say no to that. The next item that I'm going to try on are going to be the black jeans. Okay, so I have the black jeans on, and these are from Indigo 6. These are a high-rise, regular hem cropped skinny jean, and these are a true skinny jean. These are size 8. These are $44. They're not bad for a pair of jeans. These feel wonderful. Fit is good. I have room. There's plenty of give. Nothing is like binding or digging or tight. I think it fits everything nice. The length is perfect for me. Just have socks on today. Perfect. I don't mind a skinny jean. There's the back. Pockets are a good placement. I like these. I don't know if I'm going to keep them, but let's I think I'm going to try the button-down blouse on with the black jeans and see what I think of this top. Okay, so I put the 9 Britain black and white. It says off-white medium, $45. Jeans are $44, so I'm going to pay $45 for the top, and the jeans are cheaper. I don't know about that. This has a nice slit up the side, which I didn't notice. Nice button-down. Fit is good. You know, has some room, breathing room, so nothing is clingy. Sleeve length is good. Excuse me. There's the back. Looks nice with black. I'm trying to think if I have black shorts. I think I do have black shorts, but a lot of denim. But with the black jeans and this, and you put on whatever you decide for your footwear, this would be cute. You know, some nice jewelry, things like that. If you were going out to dinner, you know, date night, or just going out with the girls, and, you know, you have jeans on, whether you put a boot or sandal, you know, your sneakers or flip-flops or, you know, whatever, you still look put together. So I kind of like that. I just don't know if this is my style or not. I like it. Let's put it that way. I like the jeans. I'm going to give this a try, but I know I'm not going to love this. Okay, so I have the Mason & Bell black blouse on, size medium, $45. The tops are expensive. The fit is nice. I kept the black jeans on because I want to see, you know, how do they feel. And so far, feels like I had the leggings on, because I had leggings on, black leggings on. I was going to change them, and I'm like, let me leave these on for a few things just to see the feel. I love the jeans. The jeans probably might stay. I would never wear this with black. I mean, you could, but I would not. I just don't know if I'm a fan. I don't mind this cut. I'm just not a fan of this for some reason. Like, I don't mind a little bit here, maybe, but if the sleeve was regular, you know, just a solid sleeve. Here's the back. I mean, there's plenty of breathing room. There's no give whatsoever. So I just am going to say no to this. It's not my style whatsoever. And I've said that in the past with Stitch Fix. Let me get rid of this string I just vacuumed. And lastly, Oh my God, there's strings everywhere. Where's this? Let's give this a try and see what I think. I love a navy blue top. Okay, so the top is staccato. This is, you know, a rolled cuff tee. Navy says medium, $34. A little bit better priced. Very comfy. B is perfect. Sleeves are perfect. I just don't know if I'm a fan of it. It's a little bit long, so I have it like gathered up because I like my tops just to hit at the top of my legs. I'm tiny enough. I don't need something all the way down my leg that then I look like I have this much of my legs. So I like to end it at the top, so I have it a little like bloused in here. I mean, it's a cute top. It's comfy. It would be very cool in the summer months if you live where it's warm, which most of us probably do. I just don't know if I'm a fan of this top. It's okay. It's a little plain. Like if there's a little bit of detail, maybe. Let me put my own clothes on and see what I think. Okay. I don't want them to fall. I read my note. Still Sarah Beth, which I'm grateful for. I have all this like string all over the place. Let me give you some box numbers before we get started. The stylist picks subtotal is $223. 5 plus discount of 25%, and that is 5 or more. According to their website, I would say $55.75. My $20 style fee. Whole box is $147.25. Not a bad price whatsoever for the box. I'm not keeping everything. I know for sure these jeans are staying. I can still get a little bit of use out of jeans, but not for much longer. But these are wonderful. I had them on almost the whole try on and loved them. They felt like the leggings that I have on today. Just so comfortable. And the jeans are, where are the jeans? $44. Not a bad price for jeans. The navy blue, like tee, I doubt that I'm going to keep. Not my favorite. This black blouse with the crochet, that is a big no. And then the corduroy shacket thing, that's a no. I'm not going to buy something now and hold on to it. And I will not wear that probably until like late fall, early winter. And I can ask for that again. And then this, the blouse, this was 9 Britain, right? 9 Britain, $45. I do like the blouse, but I want to know what you think. I don't know if I'm a polka dot girly or not, but it looked nice with the jeans. And if you had to go out, like I said, you know, date night, girls' night, just you're going out, you just want to look nice. Going shopping, you know, whatever, to the movies, and you just want to look nice and more put together. This was not bad. I liked it. I just have to decide what I thought about the polka dots. So you tell me what you thought of that. I do like that a lot. I don't want these to fall, so we're going to put them here. I know, like I said, I know for sure the jeans, they're staying. They're perfect, and they felt so nice. Material's nice, little bit of stretch, not a ton. So they're my final thoughts so far, but I'll wait to hear from all of you on the white and blouse with the black polka dots. So that's my video for today. I appreciate all you watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.